What's going on, investors? My name is Emmanuel, and I just want to quickly put this huge potential opportunity on your radar because the board of Zomedica Pharmaceuticals Corp, ticker symbol is ZOM, and we have covered this company twice on this channel. But they last night announced a new offering to the tune of $1.90, which I think is very, very smart from the board's perspective. I mean, it's a great way for them to raise cash. But ZOM finished yesterday's trading session at $2.70, and this offering is priced at $1.90. And as a result, ZOM was down over 19% in pre-market trading. So of course, we found ourselves in yet again an all too familiar scenario on this channel. And just to give you a bit of a recap, Nano Dimensions, ticker symbol NNDM. This is a company that we constantly buy whenever they announced a direct offering. And, we've used this opportunity to strengthen our position countless times within this company. I mean, I started telling you about Nano Dimensions well over 3 to 4 months ago. As a result, my current average in Nano Dimensions is just over $5. So we are well over 100% in our position by taking advantage of dips. As well, another one recently was GEVO, ticker symbol GEVO. I informed you of the direct offering and the share price drops to $8, I think it was. And again, I alerted all of my elite members in my Discord that I'd started buying GEVO at around $8 and some change. And now all the pessimism from investors who sold all because of the offering has now pretty much subsided, and GEVO's back trading over $13 a share and continues to make new highs. So we absolutely welcome any news of an offering on this channel, especially if it's a company that I am interested in. And for today's video, we'll dive into this offering that's been offered up by Zomedica, and hopefully we can decide whether it's a fantastic opportunity to buy on this dip. So that said, if you want to stay up to date with all the companies that I am buying and selling in real time, and if you want to be part of a community of goal-driven investors, then you need to join my Discord community via the Patreon link in the description below. Don't forget to destroy the like button, and if you're new to my channel, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all of my latest videos. So with that said, let's dive right into Zomedica. So Zomedica last night originally announced a public offering priced at $1.90 a share to the sale of 13 million shares. And that would have essentially generated $25 million for the company. However, when this news broke, the share price was relatively unaffected in after hours trading. It did drop a little bit. But remember, yesterday it closed at $2.70 a share. And from my observation during after hours, I think the lowest I saw the share price dropped was like $2.25 a share. So I'm 100% convinced that the board were also watching the after hours trading. And they clearly said to themselves like, hey guys, look, maybe we lowballed this. Clearly, there's a lot of demand. Investors love our stock because this thing isn't dropping. So let's really, really make bank on this. And I can just imagine them saying that. And I say that because this morning we received news from the board that they have now revised their original public offering. And the new deal is now worth $173 million, selling just over 91 million shares at $1.90 a share. Insane. I mean, think about it. So they went from the original, which was $25 million, to now $173.5 million from this revised offering. And has this affected the share price in any way during pre-market? Not really. Not really. The share price as of recording this video, which again is just pre-market, is $2.24, and it's down only 17% from yesterday's close. So clearly, demand from investors for this company is really remarkable. Considering this company doesn't generate any revenue, it's losing money each and every single quarter, but the market cap right now exceeds $2 billion. It's insane. It completely makes no investing sense, to be honest. However, the company does have three main catalysts on the horizon, and this is the fundamental reason, in my opinion, for the current attention surrounding Zomedica right now, because it's just running a FOMO. It's simply the case of buy the rumor, sell the news. It's completely speculation right now. So Zomedica should be nothing more than a spec play if you are invested. And I would say only invest money that you are willing to lose, because hype FOMO eventually does die out in the long term. And if you look to the fundamentals of this business, there really isn't nothing there. Do you get what I'm saying? There really is nothing there. Let's take a look at this revised public offering. So ZOM, a veterinary health company creating point-of-care diagnostics products for dogs and cats, today announced that due to demand, see, I did tell you this, investors are going insane for this stock right now. But anyways, due to demand, the underwriter has agreed to increase the size of the previously announced public offering and purchase on a firm commitment basis 91 million plus common shares of Zomedica at a price to the public of $1.90 per share, less underwriting discounts and commissions. The closing of the offering is expected to occur on or about February 11, 2021, subject to satisfaction of customary closing conditions. So today is obviously February the 9th. So this public offering will close in 2 days' time. So let's take a look at the share price and I will provide you with my current price predictions. And to be honest, looking at the share price, you would have to go all the way back to 2018 to find Zomedica trading at the current prices it's at today. I mean, that in itself says a lot. And back then, you can see that for pretty much the large majority of the year, $2 was the key support and resistance level. It kept on testing it and retracing and bouncing off, breaking and pulling back. And you can see that $3 was the multi-month high back then. So if we bring these key levels to 2021, precisely 3 years later, you can see on the 5th of February, price rebounded off that $2 resistance. But then on February the 6th, it gapped up and retested $2, which is now resistance. And, you know, it has pushed higher towards the $3 resistance level. Now, if we do see the share price pull back sub $2, especially during today's trading, I think that could potentially be a good entry point. And, you know, your price targets can be $3, which, of course, is the next key resistance level. And that would present pretty much a return of 50% on your money, which is not too bad. It's not a bad deal at all. I mean, if you invest now and when we hit that resistance target, 50%, yes, please. So just to remind you, I have covered the 3 main catalysts in great detail in another Zomedica video, and I don't want to just regurgitate the same information. So the link to that video will be in the description below. So make sure you check it out. I just really wanted to record this video to put this opportunity on your radar. But with that said, don't forget to do your own due diligence and your own analysis before you decide to invest in any stock or any company. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, so please view my content as purely educational. If you do want to learn about investing in stocks, there are some useful links in the description below. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.